If you're in the renovation industry, carpenter, painter, and so on, and you want to save more time on your projects while increasing your profits, well, learning the art of interior wrapping film, especially from CoverStyle, is a great opportunity. Interior wrapping film can be applied on a wide range of objects from walls, doors, and furniture. And what's really cool about interior wrapping film, it comes in a stunning array of colors and finishes, from let's say marble, wood, paint, and much, much more. And this is a really cool thing, compared to a normal renovation on a, say, an office or home, which can take weeks and months, an interior wrapping film renovation can only take a few days. Amazing. And what does this mean if you're in the renovation industry? Well, let's use this kitchen as an example. If you renovate this kitchen in a traditional way, what does it mean? It means you're going to throw everything out and put everything new back in. This can be very hard work, super dusty, and in terms of the environment, it's not good. But if you renovate this kitchen with interior wrapping film, totally different ballgame. And what does this mean? It means huge cost savings for your client. It's great for scheduling, especially if you're on a construction site. You have much more design freedom because you have a wide range of colors and finishes to choose from. And for you, the profits are much, much higher. And what is really nice is you don't have to have any previous experience or knowledge of interior wrapping film. CoverStyle has made it that easy for you. And here's how the process works.
As a client, you'll be contacted by CoverStyle to begin the onboarding process. This includes a webinar and an explanation of the training options. Once you've been onboarded, next up is a training at CoverStyle headquarters in Luxembourg with their expert team of trainers. Once the workshop is done, Jerome does the offboarding process, which includes follow-ups over the course of a few months.
Hello, my name is Jerome, and I have two main missions at CoverStyle. The first one is to provide theoretical training during the first half day of training at the training center, but more importantly, to ensure personalized follow-up for the newly certified installers for the first 6 to 7 months to ensure the successful launch of the cover within their activities. So how do I go about it? First, I make sure that all installers don't lose their touch, meaning that after their training, they keep the habit of working with the product. Secondly, I also support them in the initial cost estimates and business aspects, providing real commercial support. Generally, I have the technical team next to me, represented by Andrea, who is also there to provide initial tips for the smooth progress of the first projects. So as you can see at Commercial, we have a true service culture. So if you're interested in having a good time together and being trained on this new future product, I'll be waiting for you at 8:30, ready to start the training with a good first coffee.
Now you know how the intake and training process works here at CoverStyle. And as you can see, you're well supported every step of the way, and you're in good hands with great trainers like this. So if you're looking to pivot into interior wrapping film and you can add it to your repertoire in terms of your offerings and skill set, be sure to book your training session with CoverStyle today. Thanks for watching. I'm Justin Pate from the Wrap Institute.